Hello viewers, welcome to ABEZ Smart Solutions. We are here introducing ABEZ BM16 digital door lock, which has 4-in-1 unlocking features. The uniqueness of this BM16 door lock is that it fits 30 mm thickness of door and it provides fingerprint, password, RFID card and a mechanical key option to unlock. It suits wooden, metal and aluminum doors. The lock with semiconductor sensors offers an automatic learning algorithm and 360-degree fingerprint technology. Let's add the fingerprint using the default password, that is 029. Now I'm going to show you the operation of this lock. I'm going to put the default password 123456789 hash and press 1 to add the admin. I'm putting the administration code, that is 126. Reconfirm. Done. An administration password is being set apart from the default password. The default password is gone right now and I'm going to input the admin password and it is unlocked. So the admin is added in the lock. To do anything on the lock, for example adding or deletion, you need their admin password. I put the admin password, and to add is the number 8 to add any users. So I'm going to put a user number, that is 456789 hash, 456789 hash again, and the user password is set. Now let's try if the lock has registered the user password. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hash. It is unlocked. Now I'm going to show you how to add a fingerprint. Administration code 8 for addition and my fingerprint. Yes, it is registered. Now let's check if the lock has registered my fingerprint. Now let's try again. Yes, it's unlocked. It's registered my fingerprint. Please be very careful to always clean your hands before you press the sensors. Now let's add the card. Administration code 126 hash 8 for addition, RFID card for registration. The card has been registered. Now let's try to unlock with the card. Yes, it's unlocking. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the fingerprint. So when I put the fingerprint, there is a code that the lock has given me, that is 03. After inputting the administration code, that is 123456 hash, press number 3 for removing of the fingerprint and the code, that is 03 hash. My fingerprint has been removed. Let's try once again. It is not accessing. In the similar way, it is for all the 4 unlockings, the removing code should be mentioned before removing the users. Now let's remove the user password. Administration code 3 for removing, 02 was the user. I've removed the user. Let's try the user code, that is 456789 hash. It is not taking the code. Now this is the mechanical key slot. Due to any emergency, you can use the key. This is the function of the key, and there is also an emergency slot USB type for accessing the lock if the battery is drained out. By this, your BM16 operation video is done.